Myself Neha Mili, Sister Tutor, Dispur Hospital School of Nursing. Today we are going to discuss a topic, photosynthesis. So, first of all, what is photosynthesis? In simple term, just like human, we need food, right? So just like that, plants also they need food. So through photosynthesis, they make their own food through using sunlight and using carbon dioxide and also water. Okay, and sunlight is absorbed from the leaf, and water is absorbed from the root. Okay, so if we see the part of this leaf, inside this leaf there is a structure called chlorophyll A. Okay, so this is a structure. Just imagine that this chlorophyll is a kitchen. Okay, and inside this chlorophyll there is another structure called chloroplast. So imagine like this, that this chlorophyll is a kitchen and this chloroplast is a chef, okay, who cooks the food. So basically when there is a presence of sunlight, this sunlight will be absorbed inside this chlorophyll, okay, and inside this chlorophyll there is a structure called chloroplast. Okay, so this is a pigment which is green in color, okay, which is green in color. So if in exam, if they ask you why the color of the leaf is green, it's because of the presence of this chloroplast. Okay, so in chloroplast, so what is the process of photosynthesis? Okay, what is the process of photosynthesis? There are two steps. Okay, number one is called light reaction. Number one is called light reaction. Okay, and this light reaction is also known as photochemical phase. Now what happens in light reaction? There will be, this light reaction will happen in the presence of sunlight. That is why it is called light reaction. So whenever there is presence of sunlight, there will be, what will happen in the leaves? This will happen. Okay, there will be light plus water. Okay, and there will be a reaction. Okay, there will be reaction, that is light plus water. Water will come from the root of the leaf. Okay, and then it will give you oxygen plus energy. Okay, so what it will give? It will give you oxygen plus energy. Oxygen will be released out into the atmosphere, and energy. Now this oxygen will be released into the atmosphere, and this energy will be stored in the leaf. Now what will happen to this energy? There is second step, which is dark reaction. Dark reaction. Now this dark reaction can happen in the presence of sunlight also, and in the presence of in the absence of sunlight also. Okay, so most of the dark reaction happens at night. So what happens in dark reaction? There will be chemical reaction of energy. So this energy will be, what happens in the dark reaction, there will be energy plus CO2. Okay, so human use oxygen to produce their food, but in plants they use carbon dioxide. Okay, so what happens in dark reaction? There will be combination of energy plus carbon dioxide, and it will give you oxygen. Glucose plus water. Glucose plus water. Now this glucose will be used for the food preparation, and this will also be stored in the form of starch. Okay, so once glucose is produced, half of the glucose will be used for preparation of the food. This is the food, okay? This, half of the glucose will be utilized for the growth of the plant, and half of the glucose will be stored for later use. Okay, so this is the basic photosynthesis. Light reaction. So now this dark reaction, this happens in your stroma. Okay, and this light reaction, it happens in your thylakoid. Okay, thylakoid membrane. So if in exam, if they ask you dark reaction happens in where, then you can answer stroma. Okay, this stroma and this thylakoid membrane, these structure are present in your chloroplast only. Okay, so we have discussed photosynthesis in very concise manner. As photosynthesis is a very vast topic, it cannot be covered in one class, but I have tried my best to cover the basic photosynthesis. But if you have doubt in any of the topic which I have explained, you can ask in the group also. Okay, so we are going to discuss some of the multiple choice which might come in your exam. We will discuss one by one. Okay, so number one is, what is the primary pigment involved in photosynthesis? Okay, so which primary pigment will be involved in photosynthesis is your chlorophyll A. Okay, this will be your answer, chlorophyll A. And then second question is, photosynthesis take place in where it takes place the photosynthesis. So it takes place in the chloroplast. It takes place in the chloroplast. Okay, and then third question is, during photosynthesis, which gas is absorbed? Okay, so I have explained that in plant they use carbon dioxide. Okay, they use carbon dioxide. Okay, and fourth question is, the end product of photosynthesis are, what are the end product of photosynthesis? That are your glucose and oxygen. Okay, this is the end product. And last question is, light reaction of photosynthesis occurs in the, where it happens, this light reaction, it happens in your thylakoid membrane. Okay, it happens in your thylakoid membranes. So these are the possible multiple choice that might come in your exam. Thank you so much for attending the class.